Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdul Rahim, back again with another video. The video today is all about the iPhone 4S. Well, we know this phone is like 9 years old, man. Like 2018, the phone was manufactured in 2011. The flagship of that phone is very quite amazing. Well, today we have the phone in the house. Now, this is an iPhone 4S. Welcome iPhone 4S to the lab here. We're testing it out. Now, for further info, let us just break it down. This phone is almost 9 years old till right now. This phone has a 512 megabyte of RAM, which captured me, and I thought that I was like blown out. And I was like, okay, 512 MB of RAM, and now you guys will just check it out, this kind of stuff here. So as you can understand, the ecosystem of Apple, actually it's an 8 gigabyte of storage and 16 gigabyte of storage and a 32 gigabyte of storage, and we go up to 64 gigabyte of storage. Those are just storage. Now the RAM manages even a 64 gigabyte of storage, which is very great. It is just 2011. As you can see, iPhone saw the future of flagship of phones. I know I'm an Android enthusiast, like for real guys, I'm an Android, but I really rolled back to iPhone because it was kind of my thing back in the days. I was like, okay, can I just get this iPhone? And I was like, I had to grab an iPhone 3GS. I remember it was the biggest stuff ever. Matter of fact, it was just having an iCloud and I bypassed it because you know the security back then of Apple wasn't that much secured in terms of security. Not like right now. Actually, right now the security is so far away. Now this is the iPhone 4S. Another kind of stuff about this device which captured me, it had a Corning Gorilla Glass. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass at the front, at the back. It's an alloy-phobic. It's called alloy-phobic glass. Now, and it's coating like it's scratchless. Now this iPhone 4S which I have here, it's branded new, but there's some a little bit minimum glitches like the power button. Sometimes the power button doesn't seem to be that much dope. It freezes. It takes like you need to press harder. As you can see guys, you press harder. Now this is just a normal glitch to it. Most of this device is an Apple A5 processor, which is quite not bad, and it's even a dual core processor upon the iPhone 4S, which is something which is very quite amazing. I kind of like it because you know the iPhone, the way they go with that dual core processor, trust me guys, like the way they minify. I always ask even bunch of people like, hey, come on, you're using an Android device, right? You get that 1 gigabyte of RAM. You complain your phone is stuck. But iPhone, they're having a 512 MB of RAM. Like iPhone 4S, 512 MB of RAM. You compete iPhone 4S with an Android device of 2018, iPhone 4S wins. That's reality. Because the way the simplification of the apps is quite different. Like I've been using Snapchat, I've been testing lots and lots of apps, and still the phone works fine. It doesn't lag that much. It lags sometimes, but not that much. And the iOS of this device is 9.3.5. Well, that's the end of support of Apple. They don't think like if you're having this phone for the future, you'll get that iOS 12 or something. Does not support any card slot, like you're expecting like a memory card slot. There's no any card slot. It's just that there's SIM card, and yeah, that's only it upon the phone. SIM card, headphone jack, the charger dock, 1432 mAh battery packed in, 80p video recording, and 8 megapixel camera. That's 1080p when it comes to video, and 8 megapixel camera when it comes to pixel of the camera at the back. Actually, this is a robust phone, and it's quite amazing. You can compare it with a flagship of 2018. We know it's quite different, but this phone still survives the struggle of 2018. But we all know that iPhone goes with the ecosystem, and the ecosystem.
Have you ever asked somebody why they use an iPhone? So we're gonna start with Dom. Which smartphone is in your pocket right now?
Do I reveal it right now, or? Got the iPhone 10.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Sometimes it's hard to break away from that ecosystem.
What is it about this ecosystem you're talking about? Judner, you're next, man. The pressure's on.
iPhone 10.
Wow, it's just 2 phones so far.
I'm gonna be straight up. It's iMessage, man, in the ecosystem.
Whoa.
That's what it is for me.
So to be fair, you need to be totally into the Apple ecosystem. So I'm talking Apple Music, iPhones, Macs, the whole thing.
But on the flip side, if you're in the Apple ecosystem and the tech outweighs everything else, I would pick these up.
The ecosystem. The ecosystem.
Something which is quite not that much great for the older devices, because we know that on the Apple WWDC they announced that they'll be supporting even the older devices, but you guys, you must aware of this one. If you have an iPhone 4S, it's not that they'll support even the iPhone 4S, they're supporting the iPhone 5S. That's the end of it. Now the iPhone 4S, if you're having it, it's not quite bad device. I've been using it as not my daily drive, but I switched my SIM card from the other device which I was having. It somewhere here. I switched it, I replaced it with my other SIM card, so I'm kind of like using it a couple of times, like whenever I go for exercise I have it, like running, jogging and all that. I just snap it here with my stuff here. I just snap the phone here. After snapping the phone, I just go for exercise. I just adore this phone till right now for its own aspect. It's not that much such a big deal phone, but still it's a great kind of phone. Now this is the iPhone 4S. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you throw a thumbs up. But if you really think the iPhone 4S is worth it in 2018, make sure that you comment down below. If you think iPhone 4S is not that your thing, make sure that you just like, okay, cool, this is not my thing. You know what I'm saying, man? This is not my thing. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video of today, make sure that you just drop that thumbs up and another kind of stuff. We're about to hit that 1K subscriber. Show your homeboy here some love. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, to be amazing. Yeah, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.